What's going on, everybody? Biker Dave here, working in the shop. Getting ready to go wash the bike outside. I'm going to do a separate video on that because I've gotten a lot of questions on how I keep my bike so clean. So I'll do another video on that. But I just want to show you something real quick here. You notice in a lot of my videos how Mr. White here is always on this little utility trailer. Especially after I come home from the track, you know, if I'm tired or it's late or whatever, what I do, I leave the bike on the trailer, and this little thing is only, you know, it's only about an 8-footer, maybe a 5x8 or 6x8 foot trailer, so it's not very large. I've had it forever. But what is so cool is, you have it attached to your vehicle when you're towing it, if you tow a bike like that. But when you have a little trailer like this, even with the bike still mounted on the trailer, it is easy to move it around. It's not heavy at all. You know, I'm no bodybuilder or anything, and it's easy to move this thing around. You can just wheel it around. If you didn't have to wash it, or if you did want to wash it, you could wash it still in the trailer. Just leave it on there. Take your air filter off and all that. And, if you have enough space in your garage, of course. And I do, so quite often I just leave it on the good old trailer, and I can roll it outside. I can attach it to the car, bring it back in. Not difficult at all. So if you're considering ways to transport your dirt bike and you don't have a pickup truck or any other way to do it, consider one of these little utility trailers. Makes it real easy. Anyway, I just thought I'd throw that out there real quick. So we're going to do a little quick video on how to wash your dirt bike. Some people think it's extremely simple, and in most ways it is. In other ways, it could be a little complicated if you've never done it before. So be on the lookout for the next video on washing your dirt bike, and that'll include your riding boots, your helmet, things like that. There's a few tricks of the trade that can help you turn it from looking brown and dirty into looking brand new again. And I'll show that to you in the next video. Anyway, that's it. Make sure y'all look at our other videos. We've got tons of stuff on our channel, and always adding more. So, how about you guys, from the Kenny Roberts era? I've had this guy for a long, long time. Yeah, this is a pretty sweet pit shirt that I've had forever, embroidered patches and whatnot. I don't wear it very often, but some of you guys may appreciate this one from the Kenny Roberts era of superbike and road racing, motorcycle road racing. Anyway, that's it. We shall see you all later. Have a good day.